Hey YouTube,
Hey.
it's me again, and my grandpa's in the background, and today I'm going to show you how to make nail polish slime. So all you need is nail polish and olive oil. But if you don't have olive oil, you can always use vegetable oil, and I'm going to show you. So I use this like velvet pretty color of nail polish. You can use any kind, I'm just using this one. So I'm going to make more of this, and I'm going to add it so it can be like a big squishy slime. So all you need is like oil. You can use this oil. That's what I used. And you know what's so good about this DIY? Be right back, guys. What's so good about this DIY is the oil is reusable. So it doesn't matter if you think you can't use it. So addicting to play with. So let me get my this is the mixing bowl and oils inside, and you have to use a mixing spoon. So I'm gonna show you. As you can see, there's like oil in there. I don't know if you can see, but there's oil already inside. So I'm gonna zoom in, guys. Sorry for telling my face. But this is a really easy recipe. So then after you get your olive oil or regular corn oil or something, be right back. I'm gonna get the next ingredient. This is only a 2-ingredient slime. So alright guys, I'm back. And the next thing you need is this nail polish. So you don't need any kind of nail polish or anything. You can pick any kind. I'm just giving examples. So yeah, so after you have your oil, I'm just gonna show it on camera. And then there you go.
There's no cup anywhere?
So after that, get your nail polish and start pouring it into your bin or whatever you're using to mix. So I finished. I already made one batch, as I already showed you guys, and I'm so excited that this actually worked. And sorry if there's like background noises, stuff like that. So after you got your oil inside and your nail polish inside, you want to mix. I'm mixing, and then when it's done, I'll show you the finished product. So it's forming already. I used this 2 times. The first one was a disaster. The second one was a charm. So I don't know about the 3rd time. It's not working as much. Oh yeah, there's a tiny piece right there, but you gotta keep mixing. I don't know. Okay, so here it is. So some parts might stick to your spoon, and that's when you know like it's already a slime consistency. So just keep mixing until all the particles get inside. So when you have your second batch ready, just get your slime. So just to let you know, guys, that this slime like gets wasted easily. So if we leave it out for a long, I just left it out for like a few minutes. If you leave it out for a few minutes, it won't be good. It will just turn like a dry consistency. So I'm finished doing this. It might stain your hands, guys. So I'm working on I'll put it right here. I'll put it this is how it looks. I put it in my other slime. Sorry if the camera's really bad. So it's really oily. So, sorry guys. Wait, but I need that in there. I'm going to keep mixing it and mashing it until it's good. And baby. Bye, baby. Alright guys, so I'm finished. There's oil all over my camera. So after that, you have your slime. I love this so much. I'm gonna make it this one today. So stretchy, so squishy, and satisfying. I'm gonna make a video about putting different kinds of materials in this slime. And if you want me to make another one and you want me to like mix up the colors to see what it makes, I'll do that. Just tell me in the comment below. I'll do it. Even if you don't tell me, I'll just do it anyways. And this is so addicting to play with. I don't want to leave it out for a long time. But I heard like a little tip that milk helps it stay like out for a longer time. And then it just worked. I don't know if it worked. It made it stretchier and it made it like more oily, and it used to have a little bit of pink in it, but now it's just a regular dark purple, and I have more slime now. So squishy. So guys, I'm gonna end the video here because it's already a lot of minutes long. But if your thing dries out, just put in olive oil, or you can make another one because who doesn't have nail polish? Some people don't have nail polish because little kids might watch these videos and then think that, oh. And also, guys, before I end the video, I really love this. The thing I love about the slime is that you can mold it. So it's like you can mold it into a ball, and then you can roll it here, like, yeah. It's not easy to make it like this. It looks like poop, but yo guys, this is so cool. I love it. Just keep dipping it in olive oil and it will get fantastic. Stay tuned for another video. I love you guys. Peace and subscribe.